Hi guys, so work with me as I fabricate a costume 6x1 shoe rack for my client. My client called me that he needed a shoe rack, so I had to do this, real quick. So work with me as I get this done. Let's go. So first we start by squaring the whole pipe and cutting everything down into measurement. Make sure everything is cut into measurement with properly cut and without mistakes, in order to give us the measurement, the accurate measurement we need for the job. So here is me cutting everything down, making sure it's all fit and correct. So guys, here I'm marking out the sets for the shoe rack, because my client wanted an 8 set, that's 8 demarcations for it. So here I'm marking it out. This job wasn't easy because my client wanted the job delivered in 2 days, in the space of 2 days, and I had to go to the market to get the materials on the first day and deliver it the second day. I was like, how will I get this done? Only me. I was the one cutting, I was the one doing the filing, I was the one doing the welding, everything. Was my apprentices were there doing the videoing and capturing everything, but I was the one doing the job, the whole job. So I was like, how am I going to get this job done in 2 days? With all said and done and everything, I just managed to get it done and delivered, shined and painted, delivered to his place in the space of 2 days. Because I love keeping to my words, you understand? And I love the satisfaction, I like satisfying my customers, and I like satisfying.
It's like I was in a rush that I even forgot to put on my PPE, like my normal PPE, because I love welding with my welding mats and my hand gloves on and my long sleeve. I don't like using short sleeve. I normally use short sleeve when I'm off from work, you understand? When I want to go and check something somewhere, that's why I put on my long sleeve. But when I'm into work, like when I'm working or welding, I like putting on my long sleeve. It's also bone. To protect me from burns, and I urge all others out there to put on their PPE while working, please. It's very, very important. The reason why I didn't put on my PPE, my complete PPE in this job, was because I was in a rush and the job was on my neck. I was like rushing, let me just get this thing done ASAP and deliver smooth. My
So guys, here is when I started coupling the work together, welding everything, the racks and joining them together. And it's actually making sense, like it's coming out nice, and I love the progress. Let's continue. Look at these boys, look at my apprentice, they are using my phone to play. Boys are against my phone to video the job I'm doing, and they're playing with it. Can you just imagine? Can you imagine these boys? Oh my god. So my wonderful viewers and my fans, here is the part I love the most. Here's the job. Look at how it came out. Oh more, just look at now. We have not finished yet too, but look at how it's coming out. Like, I love the progress. I so much love it. Like, I was like, wow, it's actually nice. Like, exactly as it is in the drawing, because I did a drawing of it before I constructed this. So exactly as it is in the drawing I did, this is how it came out. Like, I was like impressed. That's a very good one. Can you see? This is the front view and this is the back side of it. So it's still going through some process. And here is the final phase where we got the job delivered to the client's apartment. And here is how it came out. So tell me guys, what do you think about this job?